Whether you're in a basic, specialty, or consumer chemical manufacturing business and private label, co-pack, or produce your own line of products, managing dispersed units, teams, and stakeholders can be a big challenge. Imagine a tool that can offer real-time connectivity while adapting to your unique business requirements. Welcome to BatchMaster Web, an ERP loaded with capabilities specific to your business needs, backed by industry knowledge of over 3 decades, and reinforced with a new user interface and user experience. Using just the URL on any browser, any device, from anywhere in the world, it allows you to cash in on the business opportunities. You can perform business functions like manufacturing, finance, sales, purchasing, and distribution, and ensure safety of workers and end users, green product development, inventory optimization, cost reduction, and even achieve bi-directional lot traceability. Besides, its seamless integration with the SAM system means you can produce GHS-compliant safety data sheets and labels. All this and more on the go with the ERP of tomorrow, today. BatchMaster Web.